Hi, this is Hemalata, Assistant Professor, PG and Research, Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous Cuddalore. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of lambda function or anonymous function. Lambda function, also called as anonymous function in Python. Introduction about lambda function. Lambda function is not declared with the keyword def. Usually in Python, user-defined functions are created with the keyword def, but a lambda function is not created with the keyword def. Lambda function has no name. That's why this type of function is called as anonymous function. Lambda functions are created without a name. Lambda functions can take any number of argument. We can give any number of argument for a lambda function. They cannot access variables other than those in their parameter list. It can access only what are the arguments given in the line. Other arguments are not accepted. For example, global variables are not accepted by lambda function. It cannot access global variables. It cannot use a return statement also. Usually user-defined function, we are using a return statement in user-defined function, but a lambda function not contain the statement. Lambda function is a online version of function. It cannot contain multiple expressions. User-defined function can contain multiple lines, but a lambda function not contain multiple lines. It can contain only one line. Lambda function is passed as argument to other function. This is a syntax for lambda function. This function started with the keyword lambda followed by argument list. We can give any number of argument. Then we have to give expression. Argument list and the expressions are separated with the colon. This is an example for lambda function. In this function, I'm using A and B as parameter argument list. Expression is A added with B, then this total is divided by 2. Let me see another example for a lambda function. Lambda function started with the keyword lambda. Here I am using 3 arguments A, B and C. Expression is A multiplied with B. This result divided with C. The result of lambda function is stored in one variable, that is Z. Next line, this result is printed using print statement. Calling that lambda function, we have to pass 3 values for A, B and C. Next, we want to save this file. py, this Python file saved with the extension py. Result of this lambda function is 12. So lambda function means anonymous function. This function explained in a single line. Thank you.